pain motivates us to get away from potentially damaging situations. Noxious environmental stimuli, tissue damage and disease all evoke sensations. It also serves to protect body parts while they're healing. It signals, "Hey, don't touch, this still hurts." It also provides a life-sustaining lesson: please avoid these situations in the future. Aches and discomfort are the most common reason people see a doctor in the US, and a major symptom of medical conditions that interfere with quality of life. 50 million Americans suffer from it. The sensation goes away once the stimulus is gone and the body heals. Psychological factors like social support, excitement in sport or war can modulate its intensity. Pain is classified by severity, location, body part, cause, and how long it lasts. Types of pain. Chronic pain. The FDA defines chronic pain as discomfort lasting more than 3 months. The most commonly used therapy for chronic discomfort is application of opioid analgesics and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Nociceptive pain. Nociceptors signal the existence of tissue damage to the central nervous system. This type pain can be caused by the stimulation of nerve fibers that respond only to extreme discomfort of harmful intensity. Nociceptive stimuli are the neural processes of encoding noxious stimuli. Nociceptors detect mechanical, thermal or chemical changes above a set threshold produced in the peripheral and central nervous system by stimuli that have the potential to damage tissue. Once stimulated, the nociceptor transmits a signal along the spinal cord to the brain and triggers a variety of responses that may result in nociceptive condition commonly described as aching. Neuropathic pain. Neuropathic stimuli may be due to lesions or diseases affecting the receptors that produce the sense of touch, temperature and body position. The neuropathic sensory receptors cover the skin, muscles, bones, joints, internal organs and the cardiovascular system. Neuropathic sensation is perceived as steady burning or pins and needles. It can be caused by disorders of the peripheral nervous system or the brain and spinal cord. It can be divided into peripheral neuropathic, central neuropathic or mixed, peripheral and central. Phantom pain. Sensations relate to a limb or an organ that is not physically part of the body. Limb loss is a result of either removal by amputation or congenital limb deficiency. The stimuli can occur following nerve loss or spinal cord injury. They most frequently follow the amputation of an arm or a leg, but may also occur following the removal of a breast or an internal organ. Psychogenic pain. Psychogenic stimuli can be caused by mental, emotional, or behavioral factors. Headache, back, or stomach discomfort are the most common types of psychogenic sensations. It's commonly caused by social rejection, broken heart, grief, love sickness, or other emotional events. Gene therapies. The key to gene therapy is selecting safe and efficient delivery systems that deliver genes that overexpress or suppress targets in cells. Gene expression can be upregulated or downregulated by antagonists, agonists or ligands that affect nuclear cell receptors, a molecule found on the surface of a cell. NP2 is a gene transfer vector based on a crippled version of herpes simplex virus that contains a protein precursor processed to produce a naturally occurring opioid called enkephaline. In a clinical trial, patients were injected with NP2 in the skin related to the location of pain. They showed a greater than 80% reduction in sensations. Preprobiendorphin scRAAV8 viral vector carried preprobiendorphin gene into primary sensory neurons in order to activate opiate receptors selectively. Treating chronic pain with adeno-associated virus vector gene therapy allows for pain relief for more than 3 months after single injection. Targeted gene therapy will avoid side effects associated with opioids such as morphine. AAV2-EL10, an adeno-associated viral vector, was created that transfers the anti-inflammatory signaling molecule, interleukin-10. This anti-inflammatory cytokine suppresses the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, or neural signaling molecule. Upon injection into spinal canal, the AAV2-EL10 vector was successful in preventing and reversing neuropathic pain. Vascular endothelial growth factor, a naturally occurring protein, plays a key role in initiating growth of new blood vessels. When injected into the heart, it relieved angina, and was highly effective in treating advanced coronary heart disease.